Is subprocess.Popen not thread safe? The following simple script hangs on the subprocess.Popen call intermittently, roughly 30% of the time. Unless use _lock equals true, and then it never hangs, leading me to believe subprocess is not thread safe. The expected behavior is script finishes within 5 to 6 seconds. To demonstrate the bug, just run python bugproof.py a few times until it hangs. Ctrl+C exits. You'll see the post Popen appear only once or twice but not the third time. The shell script referenced above, factorial.sh. System info, Linux the 2nd of June 1932 to 358.123.2.openstack.l6.x86_64 number 1 SMP Thursday September 26, 1714 and 58 seconds EDT 2013 x86_64 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 new/Linux. Python 2.7.3, default, Jan 22, 2013. 11:34 and 30 seconds GCC 4.4.6 20,120,305, Red Hat 4.4.6 on Linux 2.
On Python 2.x, there are various race conditions affecting subprocess.Popen. For example, on 2.7 it disables and restores garbage collection to prevent various timing issues, but this is not thread safe in itself. See for example, this URL, and this URL, for a few of the issues in this area. A substantial revision to subprocess was made in Python 3.2 which addresses these. Amongst other things, the fork and exec code is in a C module, rather than doing some reasonably involved Python code in the critical part between fork and exec, and is available backported to recent Python 2.x releases in the subprocess32 module. Note the following from the PyPI page. On POSIX systems it is guaranteed to be reliable when used in threaded applications. I can reproduce the occasional, about 25% for me, crashes of the code above, but after using import subprocess32 as subprocess I've not seen any failures in 100+ runs. Note that subprocess32, and Python 3.2+, default to _fds equals true, but with subprocess32 in place, I saw no failures even with _fds equals false, not that you should generally need that.